I recently decided to try the Dobshow Herbal Height Increasing Foot Patch from purelipopshop.store, and I can honestly say that both the product and the overall shopping experience exceeded my expectations in every possible way. From the very first visit to the website, I was impressed by how clean, organized, and user-friendly it was, making the entire browsing and ordering process smooth and stress-free. The product description was detailed and easy to understand, clearly explaining the intended use, the herbal concept behind the patches, and simple step-by-step instructions, which immediately gave me confidence in what I was purchasing. The checkout process was secure and quick, and I received order confirmation and shipping updates promptly, which made me feel reassured and informed throughout. When the package arrived, it was well-sealed and neatly presented, showing care and professionalism from purelipopshop.store. As for the Dobshow Herbal Height Increasing Foot Patch itself, I found it incredibly simple and convenient to incorporate into my nightly routine. Just applying the patches to the soles of my feet before going to bed took only seconds, and they adhered comfortably without feeling bulky or uncomfortable. Throughout the night, I barely noticed them, as they stayed firmly in place without shifting, and they were easy to remove in the morning without leaving any sticky residue behind. The herbal aspect of the product adds to its appeal, giving it a natural, soothing feel that aligns with those who prefer gentle wellness-based approaches. After consistent use, I personally felt more refreshed upon waking, with a subtle sense of relaxation and overall well-being that made the experience feel worthwhile. What stands out most to me is how effortless the entire process is, from ordering to daily use, making it accessible even for those with busy schedules. The quality of the materials, the reliable adhesion, and the thoughtful packaging all reflect attention to detail. Overall, my experience with purelipopshop.store and the Dobshow Herbal Height Increasing Foot Patch has been very positive, and I truly appreciate how easy, comfortable, and convenient it has been to use as part of my nighttime routine, making it a purchase I feel satisfied and happy about.